Let me see how much of a bad girl you are on social media.
Shame them, we have to shame them, yeah.
If Kingston 13 feel like say you don't know for fight by using her content, yeah? And you try use it with fuel. Somebody said something to you and you come out and man don't touch up with Picnic. And you're the only one Kingston 13. You're the only one. Wait up to and you go get people locked up. Jesus. If you ain't too busy, Lord. When you talking about corruption and all of these different type of things, when underneath the cover, you for me, you a jailbird, long time. You understand? If it was under me alone, you a long time. I don't understand you by this point. And you think that you could skip over this of you trying to make women feel bad for doing the right thing when it comes down to children overall. You have to do something for the people, not with your stinking $50. Forget the wrong thing and to set up people. Forget shit off of you. What to come by what you give out in the universe. You're a liar and then you're despicable for this. Nothing beat a pure art. You're a nasty, careless and the time you tech and the media, you need to go to school and go learn something. You just go say, take me. I want to tell my girl, you're in America now. The fuck is wrong with you? The same way you love to give her $50. Don't you think somebody is out there waiting to give away and double that 10 times fold to get the same shit on exactly what happened on you and even pay those dudes off to get the full story about what happened to you? You don't understand that you eat your own vomit. You said somebody that she knows in a house, in a big house in Curacao, her daughter, and she got them locked up. But it's like it's the wrong thing for her to do because you're trying to use it as not even a scenario, but something of a, I don't know, like a defense, like, yeah, why you do that, Kingston 13? Why you got the cops involved? Huh? Why you got the cops involved? That shit, you just sick, you a sick old. Y'all have to wait for something. Just like if I don't even say nothing about y'all nasty drunkard spirit, I don't have to come out here and say absolutely nothing, because one thing I believe, I can go all the way around the world and come back in silence and y'all will still be doing the same shit.
You're a man in a prison today in Curacao because he's sleeping with your daughter.
So what the fuck you wanted her to do, Lorraine? I'm dead ass. You need to get right with the Lord. Promote her that she is a wonderful mother. And let us all believe now that when Kingston 13 say that she would ride for her children, there it is, Lorraine. And I thank you for highlighting the fact that the fact that Kingston 13, was telling the truth about herself. So I appreciate it. That's a damn shame, but I appreciate it. And I hope somebody give Kingston 13 this to listen to it carefully on what the fuck I'm saying. Because you look at you versus her. Now, finish.
The big boss. Come tell the truth. Why you move out? Nobody runs from.
She don't need to tell the fucking truth if you're sitting up here saying the reason why she moved from the big house in Curacao to go to somewhere with a white something in the window or whatever the case may be is because the individual, the suspect, her daughter, so you say, and she got him locked up. Where was he supposed to be? If you know so much, I'm asking you the rest of it, because nobody needs to ask her nothing. We need to ask you. Where did you want him to be? If it's true. What? Leave the room door open for other people out in the streets? What is it? Shouldn't a monster pay for their crime? Innocent until proven guilty. Now you know her business. You must answer, because I don't think she needs to answer. You didn't give her room to say, well, you need a fucking ad-lib. What we call an ad-lib? While somebody on the, the mic, they rapping, then you got the guy next to him making a bunch of noise with him and making it sound good. So, no, you don't need a fucking ad-lib. You need to answer. You didn't give room, Lorraine Brown. You didn't put up a let me shut up. Answer that. Question mark. You gave it. You gave it. So you answer it. Idiot.
I'm good. You move out because your family put you out after you send him to prison for sleep.
Family move out. Family told her to go because she put the individual in prison. Well, isn't that a great sacrifice? If I had to live in the street, I think I would. How about y'all, ladies? So, allegedly, Kingston 13 daughter don't have to worry about none of that bullshit no more, right, dumb bitch? She don't. So what you talking about? I see where you going, but thanks for the highlight. Kingston 13, you just got a highlight wherever you are. A great one is at that. One that will allow people that hear you all the time to actually see what type or feel what type of mother that you are, because you say it 1,000 times that you will stand up for your children, Kingston 13, because I'm talking to you now. So one thing we learn about you, Kingston 13, is the fact that you will go the mile and a half. Because a dumb bitch, I guess that's what you call exposing. Well, a dumb bitch just exposed some truth about you. And I will take that, and I salute you for it. So all the rest of yous that stay just like this dumb bitch, I guess she got company. Because I ain't never heard no shit like that. And it caused me to say that, just that. Ladies, how y'all feeling?
That's all. You're out and the big house and end up in a one.
So you would sit there and allow something to go on and just watch the big house. You know, watch your picnic. So how much do that one over there that used to be in your clique, in your camp, how much do she know? How much you let her on? Or how much you let her in on? Well, you won't understand that. How much did you let into her for her to know this?
You look on catches with that dirty white cloth down the window, and listen, this is it. This is it.
Listen, I would rather to have shit on my window and stand up for my daughter. I don't see what's wrong with what Kingston 13 did. Somebody touched her daughter, so you saying she did something about it, and you acting like she wasn't supposed to. Now, if that ain't the craziest shit, then I don't know. You lose all credit, baby. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. Oh, yeah.
I want to come back to you, but me just come back, you know, say your lies them become your reality, become your bread and butter.
That shit became yours. Your lies and your bullshit and don't know how to fucking quit. Not even when your daughter say so and you come out here exposing yourself. Man, I tell you. Your shit stick to the motherfucker because you just got me thinking seriously. Rose, let me tell you, Rose, I need to lean on your shoulder. Rose, let me tell you something. Listen. Lorraine Brown, come out. Please make me understand this. And say, everybody on the internet, every woman on the internet or wherever, pretty much, them picnic get touched. Basically, nobody no got jail feet. No, she has said because she in her feelings about what Kingston 13 apparently, because I don't know, but Kingston 13 must have said, don't play my stuff, right? She in her feelings I try to expose Kingston 13 and go fuck up and say this. You're the only one will get man locked up for touching your daughter. And them they are jail, and that's why you get kicked out of big house. You wouldn't get kicked out of big house to protect your daughter. I will get the credit. Now Kingston 13, am I right? Something wrong, you know? No? Me don't know.
Become your income. So every time they do something, they
hopefully she will say it again in your ear.
You the storyline. None of what you come out here talk is true. Not you. Why you think when I play the live yesterday I laugh? Because I not defend nobody out here. But you know why I laugh? Because I said no sir, you go deeper in the lie, really a reality. You go deeper and deeper. Me I wonder if you not listen to yourself. Your mental just like walkie. Your mental just like walkie. You somebody sit down nice here talk to you?
No sense,
mental just like walkie. Your lies them have become your reality. It become your income. It become everything that your daily bread. But let me tell you something. I sure say me a bad girl and me I go be the winner girl. Me I go be the winner girl because I say any content you put out, me I go play them. Any content you put out, so you must have to now go put out the content. I tell you. See, I'm like when I play a distraction game. Because guess what? I said to somebody last night. I said, let me tell you something. All we are going to do a curse. Nothing but more. Nothing more. Because me, I going to do when me can do. And own a curse. When me, I going to do any content at all you put out, it will become my word.
Just as a lot of messages that reach past you, one of them will be your poison. And it will be somebody that's close to you that will poison your hand and that will finish you.
What will be my content creators from today? Babe? And once you can't stop?
I bet you won't. I bet you're going to get the fuck up off your ass and go to school. Because with this type of mistake right here that you made in the beginning of your video, and then you repeated yourself like 2 more different times, you fuck up your own self. And I do believe, like always, that you are a self-destructive little bitch. That's it. You too dunce in the spirit and in truth of what you allow someone to hear and how many other people gonna hear it. You're very nasty. You're despicable. And you just made cartoon go up 40% about what goes on in your house and how you would protect and cheer women on that don't give a damn about what happens to their baby girl. So when Angela Tosin say the things that she be saying, I wish she could stay on board and let the whole world understand instead of putting bullshit along with it. Right? See, I know what I be saying, but this one is far past me. And you know who's gonna use this against you? In her own way, because she's a fucking book writer. At the end of the day, she can write a book. It's gonna be fucking Tina Chin, idiotic bitch. So what you came out here and did, she gonna play it, but none of y'all for it, because you just pull your friends in. And y'all are the motherfuckers who ain't did nothing when man touch up on a fucking picnic. You, oh Jesus Christ, why did you do this, Lorraine? Now, since she write a book, this is the best time for her to come out and throw a blow at you, because she more intelligent than you, and keep y'all fighting right there in the middle, because you just make Kingston 13 a bad gal with shutting her mouth and wouldn't give a fuck. So what if she come out and cuss your dog rotten out? After listening to what I'm saying, cuss you out in a right way, where I could demolish you. I would throw the knife and the cutlass and everything that she need over there in Curacao. Because you have no rights. Am I going to play it back for the people exactly what you said? Because all of the rest of this video is bullshit. Yes, I'll go through it. You took 30 minutes. I know it's going to take me like an hour and a half if I just keep on. Let me just keep on. I'll play it back. My sister, come check out the new age mother them. And come look what, and come take a look. Wagwan. And why man a touch up woman children is at the rate that it is. Because someone is cheering all the women on that don't give a damn. And they'll cuss out the ones who call the police to end that nasty shit. Can y'all please tell? Yes, sister. Thank you for telling her for coming here. I don't know where Kingston 13 is.
Let's move on.
I know y'all can't say nothing to me out there for me.
Your lies have become a reality. People
don't worry about it.
This is the way of making money. She never contact nobody in Canada. She never contact. She did not email nobody.
Listen, y'all all playing a game? Okay, fine. Y'all all playing a game. This is an emergency. I need Kingston 13 to put on her dirty frock. And I want her to put on, after that, I want her to put on something else. I still want her right here. Because you playing something that is not a game. You have every opportunity to go to fucking school, Lorraine. And you don't want to. Okay.
Well, the truth lie with me. I know the 3 women will plan up and write that letter to Canada. I know the 3 females and the social media. I tell them that if me talk some things the internet turn over.
Well, they telling me that you have to get your throat removed. Or one of you is going to get locked up, whether it be you or Bob. Because you're passing on things for him to pass it on. You the owner, he the waitress, and, you know. This is not what you do. You're not getting no credit, ugly bitch. You're not getting a goddamn credit for what you just said. In front of the Americanized people who are very much so Americanized and did not run away from any goddamn where to get nowhere. I don't know how I came over here. I know over here only. You're fucking nasty. Hey, my auntie. And I'm sorry for my language, y'all. I'm trying to, you know, but this is crazy, alright? It's a whole lot of things. Glad I was never the one to play up a lot of games with these people. Good over evil, I say. Alright?
Say, you know what? Me no sister, no mama, nobody out here. Me no business with people business. Lie she tell, she did not contact nobody in Canada. She not send no email nowhere, she not call nowhere. Lies. Me know the 3 person who did it. I have have the three person who did it. I know who did it. But because she hungry, them get the content. Because
They say you need to go to a throatology and a gynecology. What's wrong with you?